Hey guys, Matt here with Greensward. So I want to talk a little bit today about a perennial noxious weed, Dallisgrass. Dallisgrass is really tough. You can see a little bit of it here, sticking up out through the Bermuda grass, a little bit here, and a few little leaves that way. So Dallisgrass is a perennial by nature, which means it sits here throughout the year in the simplest form, and then once it gets cold, first frost, it goes away. Kind of like daffodils, so to speak. You just kind of see them in the springtime, they go away, and then they come back each springtime in the same area, right? So it's a perennial. The unfortunate thing about Dallisgrass is there's very limited chemistry that will do justice, especially selectively on Dallisgrass. It usually takes 2 or 3 treatments. It can come back. You know, the technology with chemistry, we've just really struggled on some of the ways to get rid of Dallisgrass. So if you have this, I'm gonna offer a suggestion. So if we look down in here at the plant, or we can look at this one, this is the crown of the plant. So it has the roots. You can see that nice root structure right here. You can see the leaf blades, but within that is the crown. It's the brains of the operation. What I'm gonna ask you to do, if you want to, is you can pop this open and you can find the crown of the plant down in here, and you can spot spray with Roundup, which is a non-selective chemistry. It's gonna take it out. I know Roundup's got some bad meaning behind it, but if you spot spray this like the size of a quarter, 50-cent piece, so to speak, you're hitting the crown of the plant. If you come out here and do a big circle, this whole thing is gonna die. But if you take just like a small area, like size of a quarter, 50-cent piece, it's gotta be real intricate and hit the crown of the plant. That will help non-selectively take it out. You may hit some Bermuda grass kind of here and there, but if you can get to the crown and limit the impact that you have around on the Bermuda grass or fescue or zoysia or whatever you have it in, that can help you. But again, there's not a lot of selective chemistry that's gonna be able to take this out. That's why you see it so much. That's why it's harder to control. As always, keep it green.